Hey, this is Lynette Bledsoe from LynetteBledsoe.net, and I'm coming to you live from my home office here in San Antonio, Texas. And today we are going to be reviewing my fashion crate. So let's go ahead and let's get after it, guys. Welcome back. So for you guys who have been following my channel, you know, and thank you guys for following the channel. You guys know that I've been subscription box addicted lately. So what I wanted to share some things that I think are interesting. You might be interested. So today we're gonna unbox. This is my third month of my fashion crate, and it comes every month. The thing that I like about this subscription box is it has different levels. I think you get the bang for your most buck when you get the premium box. That's what we're gonna be unboxing today. And I like this box because unlike other fashion subscription boxes, this is just one set price. You don't have to worry about, you know, paying like a $20 styling fee and then you keep what you want and then return whatever that you don't want. I don't like that because you end up with a super big bill. I like to pay one set price, you know, and add to my wardrobe little by little because I work from home, so I don't need like a mega huge fashion clothing because I could literally stay home in my pajamas all day if I wanted to. But I wanted to add a little by little something to my closet so that when I do go out with the kids or I do go out with my family, I have something in my closet that looks decent. You are looking for something that is has fashion in it, mixture of fashion, beauty, accessories. This is definitely the box for you. I'll put my fashion crates information below, and I know that they have three different boxes. One I believe is $20, the other I believe is $30, and then the box that we're checking out is $50. And every month it comes, and I didn't open it and look inside, but I clipped it open so I'm not wasting time like trying to open the bag. But it comes every month in this, you know, silver tone package, which is super cute. And what's cool about this box is it gives you a description of everything that's in it, and it gives you a sneak peek. So let's go ahead and get after it. All right, so in this box, we're gonna start with the regular, what you would normally get just with the regular box. So it says there are, it says there's black leggings in here. So that's the first thing. I'm gonna look for that first, and that is super fresh. And I'm dropping stuff. Shoot, I'm dropping stuff at the same time. Let me move some stuff over and I will pick that stuff up in a sec. So it says we have black leggings, and the black leggings, it says this is high quality leggings. This is the perfect piece for any days. We're in love with the timeless design and color. They are so comfortable and stretchy, which makes them a perfect for wearing underneath dresses, tunics for a little extra warmth. Is chic and comfortable. You'll love wearing them all season long. They're valued at $40, and I'll try these on in a little bit just so that you guys can have a better feel on how they look. Now the box that I'm unboxing, as far as clothes wise, it's a plus size box because my top is a little bit too big. So usually when I try, large would fit me perfect, but usually it's tight on the chest. So after seeing a couple other unboxing, I noticed that a lot of people say you should go one size up. So immediately I went for the extra large. So the pants and whatever else I get in here as far as clothing may not be the same one if you're like small to large, but as long, like I said, as long as it looks cute and I can just add to my closet every month, I'm down with that. I don't need a lot of stuff. So that was one, so that's $40. So I'm $10 away from paying for this box. And then the next thing is 4 matte hairstyle set. And I believe that's actually what I dropped. So super awesome. All right, so these are, let me see. It's spiral ties. Let me make sure there's no other. Okay, so there's spiral ties, and my daughter wears ponytails literally every day, so these are gonna be perfect for her. These are spiral ties hair set, and I'll leave that there. A charming, chic, unique must-have, trending in season hair tie, set that comes in a variety of colors. It features a gorgeous spiral telephone and cord shape. These hair ties are perfect for any occasion and can blend with any outfit and occasion. My daughter has curly hair, so I'm gonna see how these fit for her. But usually, I know for me, when I was younger, I would always have to have like a regular hair tie first, and then I can put these fancy ones loose right underneath it, so it wouldn't have to be so tight. Because even if this didn't hold my hair, I can still put it on my hair and then wear the ponytail fine. So that's that, and that comes to a value of $10. So that's cool because that's $50 right there. And then the next thing is we have a chrome eyeshadow from Mirabella. Now I'm at a point where I'm looking to basically replace everything that's in my makeup counter. So anything that I don't have really much, I'm looking to throw away. So anything that I get, it gives me an opportunity to throw it away. So it actually, this Mirabella box comes in here. So I'll show you that real quick before I take it out. And then it comes in, oh, it's like a chrome, see that? It is like a chrome box. And I'll show you the back. There you go. And then I'll put this over the mirror so it doesn't kill you as far as the colors. And those are the colors. You can see those. It's pretty. And actually, I don't have any colors like that at all. So let me actually swatch them so you can get an idea of what they look like. So I'll swatch the main color so you can see how they are. I'll do that really quick. I took 3 colors here. Let me swatch one more so you can get an idea on how it looks on my skin. So those are the colors. Oops, I'm not a swatch queen, so I think you guys can see that. All right, so not really, probably because of my arm. There you go. So that looks better. So looks like that purple is very pigmented, so that's very dark. So that's super cool. So that definitely is adding to my collection already. Let me see what else we have, and then we have a pure Lana. Here you go. It's a pure Lana. Give me a second. Pure Lana natural lip treatment from Pure Cosmetics. And what this is, it's soothe and nourish cracked chapped lips and with Pure Lana lip treatment. So let's take a look and see what's inside. If I can get it out the box, that'll be super fresh. All right, so here you go. And it comes in this sphere, if you can see that. Perfect. And then let me see what's inside. And it has a safety package there. So this here, let me see what else it says. There you go, the lighting. So what this does, it naturally treats your lips with superior skin condition and antioxidants that help repair cracked and chapped lips. Pure Lana's ultra nourishing formula in a luxurious ball that soothes lips while delivering a soft sheen that provides all-day protection. And this is good because, again, I'm replacing a bunch of stuff and I don't have anything like this in my counter, so that's super fresh. And then the last, just for the regular box, the last thing that comes here is something called Mighty Patch Original. This is from Hero Cosmetics, so there you go. And what this is this is a patch that draws out pus and other impurities from your pimples, speeding up the healing process while protecting it from outside dirt that could inflame it further. The translucent hue always makes it undetectable. Oh, and I apologize, the value of the eyeshadow, moving backwards, was $50. So the value of the lip treatment was $20, and the value of this is $2.50. So this is good because I have a teenage daughter who doesn't like a lot of makeup, but I know that she will dig this one. So that was a regular box. Now, moving forward, let's take a look at what comes in the premium box. So with the premium box, you got 2 extra items. So the 2 extra items, one was a top, and this is the top here. And I know obviously you can't see it, but I'll add over my head, probably over the overlay, I will add the complete outfit. And this is what I like about this subscription box. They literally gave me an outfit with a whole bunch of other accessories for $50. So I mean, seriously, you guys, I'm gonna put how the look looks after this video, and if I give it a thumbs up, that means it fit me, everything looks good. If I give it a thumb down, that means I don't like the way that it looks. So I would definitely let you guys know at the end of the video if you're curious on how the leggings and the shirt fit. So I'll give you guys a better idea on how the shirt looks. So there you go. That's how the shirt looks. And I like it because look at the elbow. So it's not short enough, but it's long enough to cover. You know, sometimes you have that wiggly skin under your shoulder, your arms. So it definitely covers that part. So you see this shirt I have here, it's perfect because look what it does. It covers exactly what I need to cover. I like shirts like that. So I think my Fashion Crate definitely did. They rocked this box. So that's what's in this, and this material is so lightweight. So I'll show you guys. This material is so lightweight and looks so rustic that you'll love rocking this preppy style all season long. And it's so easy with a pair of leggings and boots for a must-have look that will be perfect year after year. You're sure to fall in love with this gorgeous look. Value of $38. So that shirt was $38. Again, the pants and the shirt alone, I would have been happy, but we won't tell them that. I totally digged everything that came in here. And then last but not least, it's a Cosmetic, a Luminous geometric cosmetic pouch. So let's see what that is and what that looks like. And this one is a value of $28. And I hope you guys can see that, and I'm going back and forth. How crazy is that? It's like random colors. So that's cool. So what this is a carry your makeup with a style in this classy geometric foldable makeup bag. Not only does this trendy bag have ample space to fit all your essentials, but this bag can also shape shift. As you can see, it's shape shifting at this point. So that's super cool. Let's see. Travel with added space by folding the chic bag into the shape that works best for your value. And this is a value of $28. So I see what they're talking about. It looks really small, but if you're putting all your stuff in here, you can make it into a bigger bag. So you see that? It opens. So you can either leave it like this and keep bags like that. And I saw another video, a lady said that this is cool as a pouch, and if you have those colors in your closet, if you think about it, that you can use this as a pouch. So it gets bigger like this. So I mean, that was, okay, recap. As you can tell from my excitement, I am digging this box. With the outfit, the extras, there's, lip treatment, I say they did an A+ on this one for me. Again, this was the plus size bot. My Fashion Crate, you guys rocked it. This was the March package, the March box, plus size box. I'll put their information again below. If you dig videos like this, we're gonna do different stuff. We're gonna do unboxings like this on things that my husband and I find, that are super cool, that we think you might get value from watching it. We're gonna do different stuff on this channel. So just, if you like videos like this, definitely stay tuned, hit subscribe, like video. Let me know if you watch this video, which of these accessories, which of the things in this box did you like best? For me, I like the outfit. So I think they got an A+. Again, I'm gonna try it on really quick. You probably saw that already, but I'm gonna try it just to see how it fits. And if I give a thumbs up, that means the outfit rocked it too. So with that being said, you guys, see you at the top, see you at the next video, and enjoy the rest of your day.